Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Tag Manager. First, navigate to the Google Tag Manager website and create a new account, then set up your first container. Next, you'll receive two code snippets. Place the first snippet immediately after the opening body tag and the second in the head section of every page on your website. Finally, use the Google Tag Assistant browser extension to confirm your GTM installation is working correctly. Now that GTM is installed, let's add your first tag. Go to the Tags section and click New. Select a tag type, such as Google Analytics 4 configuration, and enter your measurement ID. Next, create a trigger. For a basic setup, choose All Pages to ensure the tag fires on every page load. This simple process gets your initial tracking up and running efficiently. Before making your changes live, always test them thoroughly. Enter preview mode in GTM, then navigate to your website. The debug console will show which tags are firing and which are not. Verify that your new tag is working as expected on the relevant pages. Once you are confident everything is correct, exit preview mode and click Publish to deploy your container changes to your live site. To take your tracking further, explore advanced GTM features. Custom variables allow you to capture dynamic information from your website, like product ID or user types. Implementing a data layer provides a structured way to pass specific data directly to GTM, ensuring highly accurate and flexible tracking. This is especially useful for e-commerce or complex user interactions. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These advanced techniques will significantly boost your data collection capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.